I'm Derek Smith, and you're watching Pop-Up Camper Pro. So let's talk about your pop-up camper zippers. It's really something you don't think much about until you have a problem. So I wanted to know what was the best type of zipper lubricant to use on my camper. There's two main types out there, wax style and liquid style. So what I did is I took 3 sections of the same canvas and tested 2 of the wax styles and 1 of the liquid styles to see how they perform, if there really was any difference. I let them sit for 24 hours, tested them again, and inspected the results. Let's start with the wax style and what I found. First, it's easy to apply. It's in a chapstick type container, goes on smooth, goes on evenly. With the liquid style, this was a little trickier to use. It was hard to get the same consistency of application, the same amount of product on every area, and it seemed to use a good bit of it on the section of canvas that I tested it on. Now the section of canvas that I tested with the liquid style actually had an error in the zipper material. 2 of the little teeth were fused together somehow. When I put the liquid on, it did seem to help that, but the next day the issue was still there with that little error. I tried some of the wax on it again the next day and ran the zipper over the area, and the wax actually helped go over that area again. It seemed to take care of some of the issue. The little bump was still there, but it wasn't as noticeable. So me personally, I'm leaning more towards the wax chapstick type applicator. Now if the liquid's something you've been using all the time and you're comfortable with, it seems just fine. Go ahead and keep using it. But for my camper, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the wax on this 2001 Utah and see how much I have left after doing an entire camper. And this tube's done for. We'll have to switch to the next tube. You have zippers on the outside too where your canvas sections join. I'm going to recommend you go ahead and do those as well. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I will see you at the campground.